Hello and welcome to Informatica Support Videos. My name is Donald Oji, and today's topic is on using custom properties in a mapping task. Alright, so the agenda for this video includes an overview of the advanced session properties, and then I will elaborate specifically on the custom properties and show examples on how to use this property. All right, so what's the purpose of the advanced session properties? So the advanced session properties are optional properties that you can configure in the mapping task. And these properties are essentially based on the Power Center advanced session properties. So basically there are 4 different categories or options of this property. The first one is the general option. Okay, so under the general option, you have things like the session log file name or the session log file directory. You have things like the source file directory and the target file directory. So basically, these are the kind of things that you see under the general options. And then for the performance option, this is where you see the DTM buffer size, right? And this is where you enable the high precision settings and so on. And thirdly, you have the advanced options. So you have things such as the lookup cache function, the default buffer block size, and also the custom properties. You have things like the pre-build cache lookup. All right. And then finally, you have the error handling options. So basically, this is where you see things like the stop on errors and the override tracing and so on. All right, so I wanted to elaborate a little bit more on the custom properties. Okay, so basically, this is where you set the task to override the custom properties that the task uses after the job has started. So what do I mean by that? So there are certain properties that you can set at the DIS level. Whenever you set something at the agent level, it basically affects all the jobs that runs on that agent. So for example, the WAPI settings, this property can be set at the DIS level. However, if you want to override that property for a specific job, this is where you use the mapping task level setting. So basically you, at the mapping task, you can essentially use the custom properties to override this DIS level property as shown in the diagram. Okay, so another example of the property that you may want to override would be the JVM option property. So the XMX property determines the heap size of the JVM. This property can be overridden at the MCT level using the custom property. All right. Thanks for watching. For more information, please refer to the following link. And we would love to hear from you. You can reach us at supportvideos@informatica.com or twitter.com /info support. Thank you.